To access your platform, start by going to AIO.eu. Here, you can learn about Karakuri Kaizen, read our blog, but right now, let's click on Marketplace. For access to Ingenuity anytime, anywhere, click on Get Access. This form requests information that we need to create your account. When you click on Submit, the request is sent to our IT department, who will set up your account and send you the details. Follow the link to your dedicated platform. Discover a world of Karakuri Kaizen like never before. Specific elements to build with, ready-made equipment and blueprints, spare parts to Kaizen with, engineering services and training courses, all in one place, convenient for you. Welcome to the Karakuri community.